In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics to N8N, a powerful tool for creating automation workflows without needing to write any code. By the end of this guide, you'll be seamlessly integrating Google Analytics into your N8N workflow, allowing you to access valuable insights and streamline processes like never before. Let's begin. First, you need to add the Google Analytics node to your workflow within N8N. If you're new to N8N or need a quick refresher, nodes are the building blocks of your workflow, each representing a different task or operation in the process you're setting up. By adding the Google Analytics node, you'll be opening the door to access all the rich data that Google Analytics offers. It's essentially like adding a direct hotline to your website's key metrics, right inside your workflow. Once you've added the node, you'll notice there are two main operations you can choose from: report and user activity. Let's dive into what each of these does so you can decide which one suits your needs best. The first operation is report, specifically the get function. This option allows you to retrieve various metrics from Google Analytics, such as sessions, users, and more. Think of it as extracting a snapshot of what's happening on your website every time your workflow runs. Retrieving these metrics is incredibly useful if you're trying to keep a constant pulse on how your website is performing without needing to manually check your analytics dashboard every day. With this data readily available in N8N, you can automate reports, integrate insights into other processes, or trigger actions when specific criteria are met, all based on up-to-date metrics. The second operation available is user activity, specifically the search function. This operation focuses on analyzing user behavior over time. It's particularly useful if you're interested in understanding how users are interacting with your site, tracing their journey through different pages, or monitoring specific actions they take. Essentially, this function allows you to dive deep into patterns of user behavior, which can be crucial for optimizing user experience or tailoring marketing strategies. By harnessing this operation, you can gather detailed insights into user pathways and behaviors which can inform better decision-making. To summarize, integrating Google Analytics into your N8N workflow is all about leveraging real-time insights and automation to enhance your process. Whether you're looking to frequently check on how many visitors you have, analyze user behaviors, or even trigger other actions based on these insights, these operations give you the power to do just that, all within a singular, seamless platform. It's automation at its finest, efficient, precise, and incredibly insightful. And that's it for today's guide on connecting Google Analytics to N8N. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a more dynamic and insightful workflow. Happy automating!